From Buffalo, New York, it's Friday night food fights at Rust Belt Raceway Park. So let's meet tonight's food freaks. Our returning champion is Jimmy John in the 81-gram Roach coach, and he's going to take on Killer Bunny in Paint Me Like One of Your French Toast weighing in at 86 grams. Let's get to Friday night racing.
Race 1. Killer Bunny takes the win. Race 2. Jimmy John wins. Sudden death. Jimmy John wins. Replay!
So for the second straight week, Jimmy John retains his place in the food court, but next week he's gonna have to take on Fractal Panda in the cage. Right here at Rust Belt Diecast Racing.